This is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open Eureka Crystal Beads' latest collection, and this is called the Summer Citrus Collection. So for those of you who are not familiar with their collections, this is not a subscription. It is a beautifully curated collection of beads, stones, findings, all kinds of beading goodies that they offer on their website monthly. Sometimes they skip a month or two, but it is amazing. They're amazing collections. They're beautiful. You take a look and see if you love it. So you're not locked into a subscription if you don't want to be. So that's what's so great about these collections. Also, if you don't want to buy the entire collection, they do sell the beads individually on their website. So lots of options there. So I'm going to put a link in the description box below this video, so you can go take a look at this collection and other collections that they might still have available. Okay, let's get a look at these beauties. I've taken everything out of the bag, and here's our inspiration picture. And isn't this delicious looking? Oh my God, so juicy and summery. It makes me want lemonade. And I love making marinades with all the citrus too for, cookouts and stuff. Oh, this is so nice. Love those colors. And can you look at this? Look at these beads. Oh, I can't wait to get them out of the bag. Look how colorful. Oh my goodness, they're so cheerful. Okay, here we go. So this is the Summer Citrus Collection, and here's your little inspiration paragraph. Here is your list of all your beads, and we've got categories: seed beads, Czech glass, Swarovski crystal, other beads. That's kind of cool. Polymer clay, very cool. Chinese crystal and findings, and then we have everything is identified by its SKU number, which is this number, identifies this item. If there's a ×2, ×4, you get that many of that item, and free US shipping on all orders over $39.99. How cool is that? All right, let's open this up and get a look at the beads. The seed beads, and look at these colors. They're so cheerful. I love them. So we'll start, look at these. These look like little oranges, limes, and lemons. They're so cute. We'll start with these. So we have a couple of Tohos. We have an 8-0, and let me pull in right here. And this is a gold lustered raspberry, 2.5-inch tube. So it's a Toho 8-0, and then a Toho 11-0, transparent rainbow frosted dark topaz. Very pretty. Next up, we have a Toho treasure. So that's like a delica or a cylinder bead. And this is in yellow lined jonquil, 2.5-inch tube again. Very pretty color. This beautiful 11-0 Miyuki, and this is, I believe, a 10-gram tube. And it doesn't have the color on it, but look at that. That's a yellow, sort of a lemon yellow gold color. It's really beautiful. So I had to take these out of there. Bag. These are Preciosa Czech glass seed beads, Cornelian Star Mix. They're approximately 10 grams. It's a 6-0. But look at that. It looks just like a lime, a lemon, and an orange. Oh, these are so adorable. And they just make me smile. This beautiful Miyuki assorted seed bead mix. You get a 10-gram bag. And we've got these really beautiful bugle beads. We've got these little orange luster, like 11-0s. We've got some 15-0s in that little lime color. So again, just a beautiful, very cheerful mix. Next up, we have some Czech glass beads. We have a fire polished 4mm Czech glass bead, strand of 50, and that looks like a sunrise to me. Isn't that beautiful? And then look at these faceted vertical teardrop beads, Czech glass, fire polished 7x5mm, strand of 25, and look at that gorgeous color. That's stunning. Beautiful. Okay, next up we have a SuperDuo, and this is called Luster Opaque Champagne. So a beautiful neutral, goes with any color. I love these. These are 2-hole drop duo Czech glass beads, 3x6mm pack of 50, and it's like a little drop, but it has like a SuperDuo, it has the 2 holes, right? But see how it's shaped? I bought a whole bunch of these a while back, and I do have a little design that I'm going to make with it, and I'm so thrilled to see these in this collection. That's a pretty bead. We have Swarovski crystal, and we have these 6mm crystal pearls, strand of 65 in cream, and what a nice little puddle of pearls. Look at the glow on those. That's so pretty. I love my pearls. Okay, next up we have these beautiful Swarovski crystal oval stones, 13x18mm. You get 2 of them. And look at that pretty pale peach color. And then we've got these 8mm Swarovski chatons. You get you get 2 of these, 4 of these. Sorry about the cat hair. And this, look at that pretty sort of rose color. Isn't that gorgeous? Love. So, so pretty. Beautiful. These are Swarovski crystal bicone beads, 3mm pack of 72. And it looks like a lime green or a green. Oh, it's an opal though. Isn't that gorgeous? Love, 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 love. So pretty. How cute is this? These are other beads, handmade polymer clay beads in a mix. You get a full strand of them, and it's a nice long strand. And look at all these fruits. They're so cute. Look, we've got a kiwi, we've got a, I don't know what that is, an apple right there. These are so adorable, and they're so light. They're really, really adorable. They look like candy, but don't eat them. Beautiful. Interesting in the other bead category, mother of pearl 5mm flat irregular square nuggets. So you get a whole long strand of them. There's a lot of them there. And if you can see some of them look roundish, some of them look square, some of them sort of trapezoid shape, just irregular, but really pretty. I love the mother of pearl. Beautiful. The Chinese crystals, you get a strand of rondelles 3x2mm, and it has so many beads on it. There are just a ton of beads on there. You know, these are my fave, these rondelles. I use these in so many things. Very pretty. Gorgeous color. Now we've got a bunch of findings. We've got a magnetic disc clasp, 8mm, one set, and this is, here it is. This looks like it's a copper color. Then you've got some head pins, 21 gauge, 1.5-inch head pins, pack of 40 in copper. And look at these pretty sort of rose gold jump rings, 4mm. So very nice. Okay, next up we have some Tibetan style flower bead caps, 6mm, pack of 20. I was just looking for this size. I have the bigger size, and so that's really nice. And then we have an ear wire round with 2mm ball. You get a pair in copper. And look at this pretty Rolo chain. You know, I love my Rolo chain. That's really pretty. So that is a 3mm Rolo chain. And it looks like it is probably rose gold plated. And you get a foot of that. There you go, your summer citrus collection, and I love it. I just think it's so cheerful. Look at these colors. I mean, I can imagine in the summer wearing, you're wearing your white linen dress and you've got a little straw hat on and you've got a pop of color in your necklace or bracelet, or maybe make an ankle bracelet using these. I mean, summer is the time to have fun with your jewelry, isn't it? So I think this really, really hits the mark, doesn't it? All right, so I want to thank you for joining me. Don't forget to look in the description box below the video for a link to the collection, to the collection page. All the collections that might be available are there as well. Each bead is there individually also, so you really have lots of options. All right, so thank you for being here. I'll see you next time.